In this video, I'm going to show you how to get NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV so you can watch every out-of-market Sunday game this season. First, make sure you have a YouTube TV account. If you don't, head over to tv.youtube.com and sign up. You'll need a Google account to get started. Next, open YouTube TV and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings, then navigate to Memberships. Look for NFL Sunday Ticket in the list of available add-ons. Click Add, and you'll see the subscription price for the 2025 season, usually around $349, though discounts may apply for students, Best Buy members, or military personnel. After selecting your plan, complete the checkout by entering your payment information. Once confirmed, you'll get an email with instructions to access your NFL Sunday Ticket subscription. You can now watch games on any device that supports YouTube TV, including your smart TV, computer, phone, or tablet. You'll also have access to full game replays, condensed games, and NFL Red Zone if you selected the premium options. So, to sum it up, sign up for YouTube TV, add NFL Sunday Ticket as a membership, complete checkout, and start watching every out-of-market game this season. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more NFL streaming tips and tutorials.